Characters of the Seagull by Anton Chekhov. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information, or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. The Seagull by Anton Chekhov. Characters:
Irina Arkadina, an actress, read by Ruth Golding.
Konstantin Treplyov, her son, read by M.B.
Peter Sorin, brother of Irina Arkadina, read by Glenn Simonson.
Nina Zaryechnaya, a young girl, the daughter of a rich landowner, read by J.C. Guan.
Ilya Shamreev,
the manager of Sorin's estate,
read by John Eddings.
Paulina, his wife, read by Tricia G.
Masha, their daughter, read by Philippa.
Boris Trigorin, an author, read by Derek George.
Eugene Dawn, a doctor, read by Robert Steiner.
Simon Medvedyenko, a schoolmaster, read by Ernst Patinama.
Yakov, a workman, read by David Muncaster. www.davidmuncaster.com.
The Cook, read by Laurianne Walden.
Stage directions, read by Hannah Dowell. End of characters. Act 1 of The Seagull by Anton Chekhov. Translated by Marianne Fell. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information, or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. The Seagull by Anton Chekhov. A play in 4 acts. The scene is laid on Sorin's estate. 2 years elapse between the 3rd and 4th acts. Act 1. The scene is laid in the park on Sorin's estate. A broad avenue of trees leads away from the audience toward a lake which lies lost in the depths of the park. The avenue is obstructed by a rough stage, temporarily erected for the performance of amateur theatricals, and which screens the lake from view. There is a dense growth of bushes to the left and right of the stage. A few chairs and a little table are placed in front of the stage. The sun has just set. Jacob and some other workmen are heard hammering and coughing on the stage behind the lowered curtain. Masha and Medvedyenko come in from the left, returning from a walk.
Why do you always wear mourning?
I dress in black to match my life. I am unhappy.
Why should you be unhappy? I don't understand it. You are healthy, and though your father is not rich, he has a good competency. My life is far harder than yours. I only have 23 rubles a month to live on, but I don't wear mourning.
They sit down.
Happiness does not depend on riches. Poor men are often happy.
In theory, yes, but not in reality. Take my case, for instance. My mother, my 2 sisters, my little brother, and I must all live somehow on my salary of 23 rubles a month. We have to eat and drink, I take it. You wouldn't have us go without tea and sugar, would you? Or tobacco? Answer me that if you can.
Looking in the direction of the stage.
The play will soon begin.
Yes. Nina Zaryechnaya is going to act in Treplyov's play. They love one another, and their 2 souls will unite tonight in the effort to interpret the same idea by different means. There is no ground on which your soul and mine can meet. I love you. Too restless and sad to stay at home, I tramp here every day, 6 miles and back, to be met by your indifference. I am poor. My family is large. You can have no inducement to marry a man who cannot even find sufficient food for his own mouth.
It is not that.
She takes snuff.
I am touched by your affection, but I cannot return it, that is all.
She offers him the snuff-box.
Will you take some?
No, thank you.
The air is sultry. A storm is brewing for tonight. You do nothing but moralize.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?